Well, today's tour is provided by Marine Innovations, one of our newest members. They were started in 1991 in St. Paul, Minnesota. As an industry leader in the incline elevator, Marine Innovations has installed over 600 systems across the United States, Canada, Central America, and the Caribbean. At Marine Innovations Incorporated, the inclined elevator will provide a homeowner with a durable, dependable lift, allowing them effortless enjoyment of their waterfront views. Also, they provide a luxury resort, multi-unit residential facility, marina, or any other commercial property a premium experience to their guests. Eric Hausten is the marketing manager for Marine Innovations. He is a graduate of the Minnesota State University Moorhead. His marketing career spans over 25 years and includes work from industry-leading companies, including Lund Boat Company, SJE Rhombus, and Forum Communications. Welcome, Eric.
Thank you. I appreciate the opportunity to show off our company a little bit. Like Alex said, we've been in Minnesota here since 1991. Mike and Lori Botzet started the company. Mike was a machinist by trade and just really saw a way to do something better than was in the industry. And we've grown considerably. Like she mentioned, we've had over 600 systems installed, so probably one of the bigger manufacturers of this product across the world. But primarily we sell across US, Canada, Central America. And our systems go primarily to homeowners. Most of the systems are based for homeowners, but there are some commercial systems for marinas, hotels, homeowners associations. One thing that is a little different than maybe some people would understand is for a lot of places, our systems are considered an elevator. So a lot of states are highly regulated. That means we have certain standards and code to build to. Also, sorry about that. One thing is our systems are usually unique to each installation. So when a system is sold, it really has to be designed, built for that. So we don't build a bunch of stock and sit out there. It's not like cars that sit in a parking lot. So we have a lot of custom built systems, and because of that we have unique engineering. So everything is done in-house for the most part. We start out with engineering the system. We do the manufacturing in-house. We do send stuff out for coatings and stuff like that, but otherwise it's done here. We do have some dealers across the United States that do sell for us. We do some direct sales also where there's no dealers. So a little unique that way. We have kind of a hybrid sales model. And I guess the one thing we like to say, and I think Alex mentioned, we want to build something that's durable. We want to have a lifetime system. So for the most part, our customers are a one-time customer. They buy something and it lasts them through the end of their life or their use of it on that property. And that goes also for like the marinas and other commercial properties. I do have a little video to showing our production process, and then kind of just a verbal review of how we manufacture, and then we'll have questions and answers. So I'll share my screen here and get the video going.
Eric, we can't hear the sound. But it looks cool.
Right. Like I said, excuse me, we do most of the manufacturing in-house, and we bring in, actually, we start out with engineering, which can take, a considerable amount of time for some of the custom commercial systems. But we'll start with doing the engineering in-house. We'll get drawings made up. We bring in raw steel, tubing, angle, flat steel, raw extruded aluminum. We'll cut it here with the water jet, mill, bandsaw. We do our machining in-house. We have a 3-axis machining mill. 4-axis machine mill and press brake and lathe, and we'll do the machining work. Parts are assembled, welded, prepped, sandblast as necessary. We do send parts out for galvanizing. We do send parts out for zinc coating for, like I said, smoother finish, and also for powder coating for the most visible parts, the carriages and the trolleys of the system. Those processes are all handled within about an hour and a half of our plant, so it's pretty quick delivery and return. Once everything's done, we bring everything back in-house. As you saw in the video, we put together our power units, our trolleys and carriages are assembled and wired, really put together. Once it's all put together, we have the electronics, control panels, sub panels are all assembled. They're tested, made sure everything works. Once that's done, we pretty much assemble everything, and whether we put on a semi to a dealer picks it up, or we ship it out ourselves, get it out to the installation site. We do have we have 13 dealers across US and Canada that will do their own installations, their own service work. There are areas that are not serviced by a dealer, and we will go and do direct sales and installation there. Front to back, it can take, I suppose, from about a month. We had one system, it was a 1,000-foot commercial system in Hawaii. It took over a year to engineer and produce and ship. So pretty broad change between a commercial system and a residential system, but they all come through the plant and all have most of the same operation.